Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will show you some methods to fix voicemail error 1035 on iPhone. Method 1. Turning on and off the airplane mode. Open Control Center. Tap on airplane mode for on. Wait a few seconds, then turn it off. Go back voicemail and check whether the issue was resolved. Method 2. Switch from Wi-Fi to cellular data. Go to your phone settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. Turn off the Wi-Fi on your phone if it is on. Go back your phone settings and open cellular option. Now tap on the toggle for cellular data option. Try using your voicemail and see if the problem still exists. Method 3. Set up your visual voicemail. Tap on the phone icon on your iPhone home screen. Press and hold 1 on your keypad to enter your voicemail settings. Enter your current voicemail password and set up your voicemail. Hang up the setup and restart your phone. Go to your voicemail and check if you still see an error. Finally, if none of the methods work for you, then you can reset your phone's network settings. To do that, open the settings of your iPhone and go to General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Now, tap on Reset Network Settings. It will ask for your iPhone's passcode. Enter it. After you enter your passcode, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for your confirmation. Tap on Reset Network Settings to confirm and your phone will restart.